Introducing the Fusion 2, FILAMATIC's next-generation fully automated integrated liquid packaging system. The process begins at in-feed, where each container is gently guided into position for downstream operations. At the fill station, the system delivers an accurate, repeatable dose, perfect for a range of product viscosities, as well as a variety of container shapes and sizes. Whether a rollerball plug or range of tips, high-speed insertion with accurate placement is performed. A cap is then placed onto each container, seated cleanly and aligned for final sealing. The torque head applies controlled rotational force, securing each cap to specification without over-tightening. Filled and sealed containers exit the system, ready for downstream packaging or inspection. Labeling modules can be added before or after the system, providing flexible integration options when required. Fusion 2 is built for regulated environments. With open access design, hygienic surfaces, and cleanroom-ready construction. A robust and flexible system with a small footprint, the Fusion 2 can address applications across industries: pharmaceuticals, diagnostics, cosmetics, natural products, specialty chemicals, and contract packaging. Ready to streamline your liquid packaging operation? Contact FILAMATIC today.